Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name's Tamera.
My name is Harmony.
Hi, I'm Maya.
And we are STYLISHO'S baddies. We are a young black-owned business. We're all 16. And this is our first YouTube video. So we hope you enjoyed the video and keep watching. Okay, so there are 3 sections in this business. And it is cosmetics, accessories, and clothing, period. So I'm co-CEO of the cosmetic section along with Maya.
I am Harmony with the jewelry and clothing / accessories.
We're gonna show you a couple of things that we have in our sections that are ready. And I'm going to show you guys the lip glosses I have, and Maya will show you guys the lip glosses she has and the scrubs that she has. These lip glosses are a pretty blue called Bahama Mama. These lip glosses Harmony actually named. She named it Lucky Charm, and that's what we've been calling them. Our glosses are Lucky Charms. These lip glosses here are super gorgeous and pretty. These are called Peachy Keen. This one is, I think, one of my favorites. These glosses, they're actually not for sale, but these are called Hot Girl because they make you feel like a hot girl when you wear them. But
Hi, I'm Maya. I'm one half of the cosmetic section, which is the lip gloss and lip scrub section of STYLISHO'S baddies. Period. And these are some of my glosses that I have with me. This is the glaze right here. Oh gosh, glaze. And then some lip scrubs that I have is this one. And these could go together really nice, just saying. And I also have Juicy Fruit, which is one of the lip glosses. And these will go good because I think right. Fragrances. This one is peach and this one is tangerine. Worth your buck, I'm telling you. Our other lip scrub that I have, I feel like this one goes well with Stormy Night, the lip gloss. It looks, I think these look good together. This is my favorite, which is champagne. It's this white and it's in white glitter and pineapple. And I really like this one. I like the color and the way it shines. And yeah, I really like this one. This is my favorite actually. And I really have a favorite lip scrub. I think they're all the same to me. And that's all that I've got.
As I said earlier, with the accessories and the clothing, these are some of the bracelets that people have been waiting for, like for the longest. So next we got the friendship bracelets.
you can also wear them as anklets, period.
Next, we got the scrunchie one. This is currently
In the making.
Yeah, put you a little high ponytail up.
If you want to see more, you should follow our Instagram because we post a lot on there. So now we're gonna do a quick little Q&A. I sent Maya a few questions because she isn't with us right now because I'm only allowed to have one person at my house. I sent her a few questions for her to answer, and me and Harmony will be answering some questions as well. When did we start planning? Almost a year ago.
Yeah.
It'll be a year in 2 days. PM.
Right.
And then every day for the rest of the summer, me and Harmony would work on the business from 12 a.m. to like 3. How do we come up with our name? Harmony came up with our name.
Yeah, I was going through a whole bunch of names. I was like, you know what? We're not doing that. Because this is funny. It's like, here's 2 names me and Tamera thought of. Stylishio, like.
And we all agreed on Stylishio.
And I was like, wait a minute. We're all stylish. So I was like, Stylishio.
Stylishio.
Why did you want to start a business? Me, one day out of the blue, and this was like summer a few years ago, Tamera, when the other half of the lip gloss section, she texted me and she was like, well, do you want to start a business with me and Harm? I was just like, I thought about it because I was like, would I really have time for it? Because I really didn't think I was gonna have time for it. So I said yes, and now we're here.
How much did everything cost?
Everything.
Over $200.
Over 200. Yeah.
We're actually still not done buying stuff. Frankly, when we started back in June, we knew we were going to have to save up a lot of money. We knew we were going to have to make some sacrifices. I mean, honestly, I think it's all worth it because, I mean, we could really get somewhere with this business, and I know we will. Like, when are we going to launch? I'll let you know.
Yeah, that's not a set date yet, but we're working on it.
How long did it take for us to grow our Instagram? We made all of our social medias back in June, but we didn't start promoting them until January. Because we had the idea in mind that we were going to launch in March, but setbacks happened. And we're at 90 followers now, and it's June, so it'll take about 6 months.
Yeah.
Next question. Did your parents support you starting a business? At first, they thought it wasn't going to take off. They still don't. Maybe because like I haven't did anything or we haven't launched yet, but I still don't think I think they support like what I'm doing because like I'm young and whatever. But I think they do support it, but they just, yeah, they're just close-minded a little bit, just a little bit. Do you have a job outside of Stylish Show? Yes. Unfortunately, I did. I almost forgot about making this video because of my job. It's ridiculous. And yeah, and it really does interfere with Stylish Show just a little bit because like I'll be at work and it'd be like a Tuesday and I forget to post, so I just feel like, dang, like what's the point? But I feel like it's balancing, you know, it's good. Like it.
How did we come up with selling what we're going to be selling? I think it was the passion of and what we like.
Yeah.
I'm very passionate about lip gloss.
Yes,
I
of
love
course.
lip gloss.
Lip
so
gloss
I was
every
like,
day.
Yes. I was like, so you know what? I want to sell lip gloss because when I was younger, I just always wanted to sell cosmetics in general, and I'm really obsessed with lip gloss. Like I have an addiction. So
mine always like worn jewelry, like even like simple stuff like earrings. I've always been like a clothing like styling person.
She is. You all don't know about Harmony. She is so creative. It's crazy amazing. And it was just,
yeah, most of like our sections came from like what we like doing or what we like wearing.
how often are we going to post on YouTube? We're going to post every Tuesday where we see the closing products when they're ready.
Yeah.
How much will your shirts be and
So
our lip gloss?
the shirts are going to be 15.
Our lip glosses are $3.
Mm-hmm.
How much are our lip scrubs? Our lip scrubs, I believe it's 3 and 2. Pop out at the party. Lip scrubs, which are, dang, these are $2, which are lip scrubs, which are this one and the blue one that I showed you earlier is $2, and all the lip glosses are $3, and together it just like comes up with the price. So if you get like a lip gloss and a lip scrub, it would be like $5 if I did my math right. Don't know. I think it's 5. Maybe it is, maybe it's not, don't know. I'm not even gonna check. It's whatever. How did you come up with the product names? Well, I got help, of course, with Tamera, and it just like, because with Juicy Fruit, I came up with Juicy Fruit, and I was thinking of the candy. Like, I was just thinking of the candy. I was just like, Juicy Fruit. Stormy Night, I came up with Stormy Night because it just looked gray. Because at first it wasn't this color. It was like a purple. Well, it still is purple, okay. But it was more like it was more purple gray. It was more like a gray kind of thing, and then like I mixed some more stuff up and it changed it to like a purplish blue kind of thing. So it kind of worked out good. I like it. I like the new one, and I changed multiple of them, so I think it looks good.
The next question is, how do we keep our friendship while also being business partners? Me and Harmony are very headstrong on our ideas, and I'm also very impatient. So when I don't get a text back, I will be so mad. Like, we butt heads on a few things.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's not like it's going to
all
ruin our friendship, right? And me and Maya, we don't really butt heads that often at all, actually. I think the only thing we butt heads about was the price of the lip gloss. How do we keep our work life separate from our personal life?
Yeah, me too.
Okay, how long have we all been friends? Me and Harmony have been friends for going on 5 years. Me and Maya have been friends since like the middle of 9th grade year. And then I brought her into the friend group and she met Harmony through me. Also, we're going to be juniors this year. All of us, me, Harmony, and Maya. So, do we have a website?
Yes, we do. That is currently being like updated like weekly because
We aren't launched yet.
Yeah.
So, what are our goals for this channel and for Stylish? I have this year. Well, before fall comes, my goal is for us to be launched and for us to have 100 followers. Another goal of mine is to learn how to be consistent. What's your goals?
My goals, pretty much, stop procrastinating.
Do we have brand ambassadors, and how did we pick? We do have brand ambassadors. They are also our PR list. It's my two lovely people who we will introduce very soon on our YouTube channel and on our Instagram. Jocelyne and Jessica. And I picked them because I wanted to reach out to that side of the community. And also Jocelyne, she doesn't even go to our school, so that'll also be more people to reach at a different high school.
Okay, so I picked my two people, Juliette and Amauri. Juliette, she's one of my white girlfriends. But I picked her because, a lot of people at our school and outside of our school knows her. She has a good bit of followers that I know support her. I picked Amauri because I know she likes to promote.
How many platforms are we on? We're on TikTok. Here, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and we have Facebook, but we don't use it.
What type of videos do you want to make? Well, on the YouTube channel, I feel like we should be doing how to make lip gloss and business advice for when we get up there, to the big leagues and stuff. I feel like that would be like very useful. And how to make lip gloss. Some people don't even know how to make lip gloss. Promo videos, I feel like promo videos would just be on Instagram. Like making promo videos, I really do. I need to make one tonight. Y'all, that'll be coming soon. Do we have any brand ambassadors? I have my two brand ambassadors, which are Chelsea and Angie. At Angie and at Chelsea Marie, Chelsea Michelle, one of those. And yeah, those are my brand ambassadors. How many glosses are there? There are 4. Well, I have 4 and Tamera has 4, which makes 8. Very variety. Pick which one you want. Like, there's this green one that Tamera has. I think it's called Lucky Charm. I really love that one. I love it. I love it. I love it. Because it looks so cute. I really love that one. I should have got that one. I'm just saying. A little jealous. Just a little bit. Because I love that one. And what are your goals for the YouTube channel and the business? I feel like my goal for our YouTube channel and our business is to make it big, but not make it too big, because then I gotta quit my job and I can't do that. I'd have to be stable, but at least like be successful. And because right now Miss Rona, she kind of messed up our launching, and that was ghetto of her. But we're working on our new launching date, and hopefully this launching date will go good and people will actually like get our products, and all our money and time will not be wasted. That's what I don't want to happen. Support our business, please. Okay, and I think that's all the questions that I have. So bye from Maya. Follow our TikTok at @STYLISHIO'S_, I believe. Thank y'all.
Okay, so we hope you enjoyed this video.
If you did, you know what to do. Subscribe down below.
And hit that notification bell so you can be notified anytime we post, which will be every Tuesday. Okay, so I'm Tamera.
I'm Harmony.
And this is Stylish Show Baddies.